It's no secret that polar ice caps are melting, biodiversity is dramatically declining, and forests are getting decimated. 46% of trees have been cut down by humankind, covering an area larger than South Africa. While the natural world seems to be falling apart around us, we are seeing sci-fi-like advances in our technologies. We see drones delivering pizzas and AI driving Ubers. Now that we have these advanced capabilities in robotics and AI, it is time that we apply them to our most critical challenges. Gaia AI will apply our most powerful technologies to combat climate change. Afforestation is ranked in the top 20 approaches for reversing climate change by Project Drawdown, with trees acting as natural carbon sinks, sucking CO2 out of the air and storing it into the soil to be used as plant nutrition. We will utilize drone technology, along with perception AI, to plant seeds at a scale and unit economics that cannot be matched with manual planting. We will generate carbon tax credits to sell in a market that has an $18.9 billion TAM, and this number will necessarily have to skyrocket as the price of carbon is set to its true cost. We will capitalize on a $1 trillion market opportunity while making gigaton-scale greenhouse gas emissions impact. Help Gaia AI utilize our most advanced technologies in AI and robotics to unlock the power of nature to heal the planet. Thank you.